I've been fucking with Chicago since the beginning of my career, so I think it's right we take them back to 2012 real quick. Yeah, bitch, call me Stevie O. I'm a pro, got me funny. Yeah, bitch.
What's up?
Yeah, bitch,
What's up?
I'm a wild boy, I'm a
Say yeah.
I'm a wild boy, fucking me funny. Come on. Yeah, bitch, call me.
What?
Yeah, bitch, call me.
Say what?
I'm a wild boy, fucking me funny. Hey, Slim, we back at it, my brother.
Y'all gonna do everything we say to do right now.
Talking about competition, and I love it. I'm a kid, I'm a kid. Talking about this and then I should talk about that. I'll never be bringing again. I keep the drinking the cup in case any more guys I'm gonna deep, I can eat them again. I made a promise to be there, so like a done, so thought I would beat them again.
Say what we say.
Fuck your big bro. We the ones that got it, we the win slow. I made it happen again, I'm like a rapping again. They always rapping again, now they're passing again. I'm an assassin again, I'm an assassin, yo. I shoot dice, yeah. Throwing fights, yeah.
Keep my circle tight, yeah.
On my hoes, yeah. Keep that sugar spice, yeah. For the bros, yeah. I do nothing twice, yeah. I shoot dice, yeah.
Gamble with my life, yeah.
Throwing fights, yeah.
Keep my circle tight, yeah.
On my hoes, yeah. Keep that sugar spice,
Yeah.
for the bros, yeah. I do nothing twice,
Yeah.
Machine Gun Emily, what's my fucking name? Yeah, Chantel. I like when I see me and my bro on stage. We gotta bring that back next year when we drop that rap album, yeah? But my bro, we got 10,000 people here in Chicago. They fucking froze their... There's so many kids in here. I gotta change my language, dude. I'm sorry. I gotta learn how to talk to the kids. MGK's for the kids. But educated, you learn how to not cuss so much. Anyway. I wrote that to myself in the form of a song I can play when the sun shines. I know better than to trust anything that I say to myself. Hey, I don't ever want to fall when I'm busy by myself.
See, I don't ever wanna. Say,
I just did an interview with my eyes closed. I just fucked the gun and look like pyro. Only comments I read on the bad ones. Only planets I like all the sad ones. Other person in the old over here. I'm like a
Sprinkle dust.
like a bitch,
I know.
like it's itchy.
Turn it up.
I don't give a fuck.